In this video, we're going to talk about the toilet in your motorhome and how to empty it and make it ready for use. Now, the first thing to do is make sure that the blade on the toilet is closed. If you find the cassette difficult to pull out, just double check that blade again. Secondly, you need to see where the cassette lives. On this motorhome, it lives behind this locker door, and there it is. It's that grey box with the orange handles. So to remove it, all you do is you pull up the orange handle, and then there's another handle at the top and you can pull it outwards. Now, when these are full, they can be quite heavy. So there's a telescopic handle here. It simply lifts out of these slots, and we have wheels at the bottom, and all you do is wheel it to the emptying point. So you found the dedicated emptying point. Few things to mention here. Most of them are orange, so it's nice and easy. Now this spout here swivels around. Unscrew the cap, place it somewhere safe. You don't want it to fall down there, and let's face it, you won't be the first person that has done that. Secondly, there's an orange button here. It's important to make sure you keep that pressed in as you empty it. Just allows smooth airflow as you are emptying it. Now, this is a brand new unit. Thankfully, I haven't got to empty it now, but if you are, you can always put some more water in and you can rinse it around and make sure it's nice and clean and ready to top up with chemical. Right, so to put the chemical in, depending on what chemical you use, the instructions may be slightly different. Now this one here, this says pour 100 millilitres of fluid in along with 1 litre of water. Now my preferred method of doing this is, while I'm holding it here, just to unscrew the cap. And then I'll put roughly 1 litre of water in and put the cap back on. Next, you can put it on the floor. You just keep that pressed down just in case the vacuum's built up. Open that, and then we can slide the cap open. Then we have about 100 ml left in there. Pour it in the cassette, shut the blade, close the flap, and you're good to go. So with the cassette emptied, it's ready to go back into place. Simply slot it into the hole, push it back in, and then you click that orange handle back down into place, and it's ready for use. Now, you can use gloves. I tend to each time. The only reason I haven't on this occasion is because it's a brand new cassette, but apart from that, it's ready to go. Do you know, it might not be everyone's favorite job to do when you're away, but it's incredibly simple and certainly nothing to worry about.